Hi guys, today we are going to be making fatayr, which is a Middle Eastern pastry filled with cheese. Okay, so let's start. For the ingredients, we are going to need warm milk, sugar, yeast, olive oil, flour and salt. Firstly, I'm going to add the warm milk along with the sugar and yeast. Mix it well. Add in olive oil and mix it again. Add salt to your flour and then add it to your mixture. Start mixing it with your hand and knead it until you have a nice dough for about 5 to 6 minutes. Let it rest for an hour in a warm place. I also added a tiny drop of olive oil on top so it doesn't get dry or sticky. While we wait, we are going to make the cheese filling. For the cheese filling, we are going to need soft cheese, feta cheese, fresh mozzarella and some shredded mozzarella. In my bowl, I already have soft cheese. To that, I'm going to add feta cheese. I'm just going to break it with a fork. To that, I'm going to add fresh mozzarella. I'm just going to break it with my hand like so. Lastly, add in your grated mozzarella. I'm not sure how much we are going to need, so for now, I'm just going to add half. Add in fresh coriander. And I wish I had some fresh parsley. If you do, please use that. I didn't have, so I'm just going to add some dry parsley. Add black pepper. Start mixing the cheese, and I just felt more comfortable doing it with my hand. So now I could see that I need some more cheese, so I added the other half of the mozzarella cheese and I mixed it again. Let's check our dough. Oh, it's risen very nicely. So now I'm just going to knead it again for about a minute or two. Stretch your dough until you have a nice shape. Get your pastry cutter and cut out as many circles as you can. Let's fill the pastries now. I'm going to place about 1.5 teaspoons of cheese in the middle and stick the two sides together, leaving the middle out. I forgot to tell you that earlier that the dough was too big, so I halved it and only worked with the first one, and then we do the exact same method for the second one. We now have filled all our pastries. They are looking beautiful. So I'm just going to egg wash all of them. While I do that, I preheated my oven to 170 degrees. Add some sesame seeds on top. It's time to bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes. Here we have our mouth-watering fatayers. I couldn't even wait until it cooled down nicely. I was so excited to try them out. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you will be notified whenever we post. Look at that beautifully melted cheese. It was so yummy. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.